Hey, this is Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Wednesday, December 13, 2023. Before I get started with today's daily IQ, I wanted to mention we have a webinar after the close. You can sign up for it by going to our website, and under the Learn More, there's a webinar registration link. I'll put a link below the video as well. But we'll be talking about our auto trading programs. We launched a new program last month. It's already off to a great start. Made over $20,000 in its first month that it was available to you guys. And we've got some other programs that we've launched that have done very well. We'll be going over all the results of our different programs and tell you how you can get started. So if you're interested in learning more about auto trading, getting set up for the new year with an auto trading program, you should join us today after the close, 4:30 p.m. Eastern time, and you can learn all about it. If you sign up, you'll get a copy of the recording as well. So even if you can't make it, if you're at all interested, go ahead and sign up and you can learn from the recording. All right, so for today's Daily IQ, today is the FOMC announcement. That'll be out at 2 o'clock this afternoon. So we're going to take a look at what has happened historically on FOMC days when you've been in an extremely bullish market. We just printed new highs yesterday on the close, so let's go ahead and take a look at that. I've got all four instruments selected. Our setup's based upon entering long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. Now we're trading just a few points higher, very, very quiet overnight range tonight. So I'm going to skip the opening filters. Don't know if we'll be up or down, so I'll just leave that out. You guys can do that on your own. I am going to go to the price patterns library and say that yesterday closed at a 50-day closing high. So that's available in the active today. I've just clicked on that. Then I'm going to go to indicators library, put us above a 200-day simple moving average. Lastly, I'm going to go to the market events and say that today is the FOMC announcement. I've got that selected. Now I'll click view results. All right, here we go. These are the results based upon entering the market long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time when it is the FOMC announcement day, and the prior session closed above a 200 and at a 50-day closing high. Historically, we've got 30 samples here in the S&P, 23 in the NASDAQ, 23 in the Dow, 21 in the Russell. Win rates on them a bit mixed. We've got S&P coming in, 47% of those closing above the opening print. NASDAQ and Dow are both fairly strong. NASDAQ 65%, Dow 70%, and Russell 48%. If we take a look at the average moves, looks like the average move to the downside larger here in the S&P. That's also the case in the NASDAQ, in the Dow, and Russell has a slightly larger average win. So 3 of the 4 have larger average moves to the downside. Only 2 of them have strong win rates. The other 2 are just slightly negative. Hopefully you found that helpful. Good luck today. We will see you next time.